All right, a couple deals I want to share with you guys from the new Extra Savings book. Came out August 13th. So I did a bunch of deals yesterday. August 14th, I wanted to utilize my last day of my $5 off of 30 Sprouts coupon. I had around a $60 overage moneymaker when it was all said and done. I mean, I did 6-7 transactions, tons of vitamins I got and everything like that. But I want to share with you 4 deals here that you guys can do from the Extra Savings book. Gogurt came back in Nevada, so I did that. But let me get right into here. Let's see, 4 good deals here. Mainly they're vitamins. I mean, you're gonna have a money maker on the vitamin because from the save August 7th, there is this promotion of buy $30 in vitamins and get the $10 Visa. It's a Visa rewards card emailed to you. So I haven't gotten it yet, but confident I will because I did everything that the promotion says. So get right into it. The reason you're able to do this because some new Extra Savings coupons came out. There's $3 off of this vitamin, $3 off of that vitamin, and also in this booklet there was the coupons for the manufacturer coupons. So when you combine the manufacturer coupons with the store coupons, and you're combining a promotion of $10 off, you're gonna have a big money maker here. So this is from the save August 7th, and these are starting August 13th from the Extra Savings book. So the way you maximize it, the best way to do it, I mean, there's a lot of varieties. You're probably not going to have all of the coupons in there, all of the vitamins, but if you can find these ones, you're going to have your best moneymaker. So I'm going to break it down for you. Got Sundown Vitamin C Gummies, $6.99. Sundown Vitamin D3, $5.39. Sundown Vitamin B12, $5.19. Now, B12, you can also get the calcium's $5.19, the zinc is $5.19. If you can find it, this is what I did. And then the Nature Bounty Magnesium is $6.49, and the Nature's Bounty Zinc is $5.99. When you add those up, it comes at $30.05. So you're just over that $30 threshold, so you're going to get that 10. So you use one manufacturer coupon from the save August 7th. That's $3 off of any gummy. Use one manufacturer coupon from the save 8/7. Now, as you can see, it does have the rules of limit 1 coupon per purchase per customer. So you can use one of those and one of those. And then you look for the hang tag. That's $2 off. And this also says limit of 1. Expires 9/17. So I was able to maximize my manufacturer coupons. And then I used 3 of these Sundown from the Extra Savings, $3 off of any Sundown vitamin or supplement. The Extra Savings book still could be good to August 26th or August 21st, because that's when that coupon's going to expire. So get on it. Now, you also use, there's a $2 off and on any vitamin or supplement, $2. So you can use same statement, only one coupon per purchase per customer, so you can use one of these. Then I found this one was $2 off, $2.50 off, so I did use that. Now, when I read the fine optimal solution way under there, so they might say something about that. Regardless, there's a $1 off manufacturer printable that you could use as well. There's also a digital coupon that you can use as well. Coupons.com also has $1 back. Combine that with your $3 off. Use 2 of these $3 off from the Extra Savings book. You're going to have close to a $7 moneymaker, $6 on those vitamins. And as you can see, I did it again. It's 2 per household. I did it again, and I did it again. This time I did it a little different. I got vitamin C, 2 B12s, and 2 magnesiums. This made it $30.35. And then this one, there was no gummies at this store, so I had to get this guy this one, and that was not used, but this had a Publix promise on it. I mean, I had, as I said, I had a $60 overage on these. But let me break this down for you real again, make it simple as it could be. So Sundown Vitamin C Gummies, Vitamin D3, the B12, or the zinc or calcium, magnesium, and zinc, you're going to have $30.05. Use the manufacturer coupons from the Save August 7th for a $3 off and a $2 off, and use one hang tag. Also use 3 of the store coupons for $3 off. Also use either your $1 off and your $2 off for the Nature's Bounty and 2 of these extra savings. Also, and then submit for your $10 rebate. And as I said, you're having close to a $6.50 overage on that, $6.45 overage. All right, so that's the main big money maker deal this week. Go-Grits came back in Ibotta, so I did that deal again. You know, I was getting at 30.05. I was at 30.05, so I was able to use this too. I mean, I did a few transactions. I had around a $60 overage in the, I think, 6 or 7 transactions. I was having a lot of fun yesterday. All right, next deal. Splenda Water Enhancer. As you can see, it's on sale for it's really $5.99, so it's on sale for 2 for $8 or $4. There is a manufacturer printable coupon for $2 off. I got the link for that below, so use 2 of those. Then Ibotta has $2.50 back on each one, making those a $1 overage on those for the 2 that I bought. Now it is a limit of 4, so you could probably get 4 of them for free, or 4 of them and have a $2 overage. I got 2 of them. And what else we got? All right, the Flintstone, check for these on clearance, because there's a $4 off at 2 coupon. And then you have Publix digital coupons for $3 off of each one. So making those, this deal was a $2.87 overage. Now I was using, this expired yesterday, I was using the $4 off coupon less, and combining that with my $5, I was getting $8 overages, $9 overages when I was doing some of the transaction. Now, obviously, total luck, because you got to find them on clearance. Some are on clearance for $5.99, some are on clearance for $3.99 for the Flintstones, and these were either $5.49 or $4.14 on those. Now, if you don't have the digital coupons, you can also use this. Booklet has $2 off of each one, so you can combine this and 2 of these. Easier way is this and your 2 digital coupons, if you can find those on clearance. All right, last deal here. This was it's a Publix digital coupon. If you spend $15 on Unilever, Axe, or Hellmann's, or Dove, you get $5 off instantly, and that did come off, so I was happy about that. So what I did on this one, I bought the Axe for $6.19. The other Axe was $6.19, and the Hellmann's was $3. You can either do that one, or this one is $3.99. I actually did it this way first, but you can also get this one. It's $3. That's on sale for $3. This one has a $1.25 Ibotta rebate. This one has a $1 off digital coupon, and has a $1 Ibotta rebate. So let me break that down for you. So the deodorants were $6.19 plus tax, $13.31. The Hellmann's was $3, so that came to $16.31. It's gonna be a little more if you get this. This is 99 cents more, so it'll be $17.30. And then, as I mentioned, the Publix digital coupon, when you spend 15, which you hit 15 right here, you got $5 off from the Publix digital coupon. And Ibotta has $2 off of each one, so check your Ibotta obviously before you do the deal. But I had $2 off of each one of these, so that gives me $4 more. It also has Fetch has 1,250 points on the Axe deodorant, so that was $2.50. And then I used 2 of these manufacturer coupons for 75 cents. It is a limited 2. So I used 2 of those. I got another $1.50 off. And as I mentioned, the Hellman's has $1.25 rebate, making that $2.06 for these guys right here. But obviously, check your Fetch, because that can vary. Check your Ibotta, because that can vary. Go-Gurt deal came back. I have that link below. So once again, some extra savings deals that you can do. Well, I don't want to say till August 26th because you never know when these deals run out. But get on them, do them if you want to stock up on some vitamins. Now is a great time. You're gonna have a moneymaker. So once again, please subscribe. I'm Looking Guy. Check out my other videos. Check out my last video here where I have big money makers every week. Gonna be posting a video Thursday as well. So everybody enjoy their couponing.